Hello and welcome to the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. First, a quick look at the headlines. Governor Yusuf named Humanitarian Governor of the Year. Kwankwaso honored as political icon. Flying Eagles set to face Senegal in Under-20 AFCON quarter-finals. VeryDarkMan reveals reason behind EFCC arrest. And now full details of the news. Kano State has once again taken the spotlight in national leadership as Governor Abba Kabir Yusuf and Senator Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso have emerged among the top honorees at the upcoming 10th Annual Lecture and Award Ceremony organized by Authentic News Daily. The prestigious event is scheduled for tomorrow, Saturday, May 10, 2025, at the iconic Ariwa House in Kaduna. Governor Yusuf will receive the Authentic Humanitarian Governor of the Year 2024 award. According to a statement issued by the governor's spokesperson, Sanusi Bature Danwakin Tofa, the award recognized Yusuf's transformative leadership, commitment to social justice, and impactful grassroots development across Kano State. Senator Kwankwaso, a former Kano governor and national leader of the new Nigerian People's Party, will be conferred with the Authentic Politician of the Year 2024 title. Organizers described him as a political icon whose legacy and mentorship and visionary leadership has shaped Nigeria's political landscape. The Commissioner of Police Sokoto State Command, Ahmed Musa, has emphasized the importance of media collaboration for effective policing and intelligence gathering in the fight against crime. He also assured that the command will operate on open-door policy to foster contributions, informal interactions, and social engagement with journalists to maintain strong working relationships. Musa made this statement while receiving new executive of the NUJ Correspondence Chapel, Sokoto, during a courtesy visit to his office. He affirmed that the media remain critical partners in policing and community engagement. The National Union of Electricity Employees has expressed concerns over the proposed unbundling of the Transformation Company of Nigeria, warning against the alleged indiscriminate transfer of workers without due process or consultation with the organized labor. As a result, the union has directed its members not to accept any transfer letters until further instructions are issued. NUEE has also threatened to embark on industrial action if the government, through TCN, continues to act unilaterally and violate workers' rights and agreed terms of service. And on the international scene, history was made yesterday in the Vatican as Robert Francis Prevost, a cardinal from the United States, was announced as the new pope. He becomes the first American to hold the position, taking the papal name Leo XIV. Tens of thousands gathered at St. Peter's Square in Rome, cheering and waving flag as white smoke rose from the Sistine Chapel, signifying that the cardinals had made their choice. Bells rang across the city, and shortly after, the new pope appeared on the balcony of St. Peter's Basilica, smiling and waving at the crowd. Pope Leo XIV becomes the 267th pope, succeeding Pope Francis, who was known for his reforms and global outreach. The announcement followed the second day of the conclave, the secretive voting process by which cardinals elect the new head of the Roman Catholic Church, which serves over 1.4 billion faithfuls worldwide. And now we dive into the world of sports. In a highly anticipated matchup, Nigeria's Flying Eagles will face defending champions Senegal in the quarter-finals of the 2025 Under-20 African Cup of Nations. The match is scheduled for Monday at the Suez Canal Stadium in Ismaila, Egypt, with kickoff at 1 p.m. Nigerian time. Senegal booked their spot in the last 8 after a 2-0 win over DR Congo in their final Group C match, finishing second behind Ghana. Nigeria remained unbeaten in Group B, finishing second with 5 points following a 2-2 draw with Kenya, a 1-0 win over Tunisia, and a goalless draw against Morocco. This quarter-final is not only a chance to advance in the tournament, but also a qualifier for the 2025 FIFA Under-20 World Cup in Chile. Up next is the entertainment news. VeryDarkMan has disclosed the reason behind EFCC arrest. According to the activist Martins Vicente Ose, widely known as VeryDarkMan, he revealed the reason behind his arrest by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. In a viral video after his release, VeryDarkMan stated that he was detained on suspicion of involvement in money laundering. He expressed shock at the allegations, explaining that he does not possess the kind of wealth that would justify such suspicion. He added that most of his charitable works are funded through personal debts, which may have triggered concerns. The EFCC, in an official statement, confirmed the arrest, citing multiple petitions alleging financial crimes. The commission said he failed to respond to several invitations sent through known addresses and communication channels. They clarified that his arrest was based solely on those petitions and not due to the criticism of the agency. He was detained under a remand order and released upon meeting his bail condition. He was finally released on Wednesday evening after spending 5 days in custody. And that brings us to the end of the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. Please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Procyon RTV. Follow us on all social media platforms at Procyon RTV. For more news, visit our website at www.procyonnews.com. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.